Propulsion systems are nominal.
Decades in the making, the most powerful rocket ever assembled slowly emerges from the vehicle bay. This 212-foot core stage, the backbone of the rocket, is now leaving the assembly bay for the first time. Nice journey to the launch pad, a critical milestone in the mission. Girt connections.
Already done, we are good for integration.
The scale here is immense. Every component must be placed with absolute precision for the mission to succeed.
Core stage alignment holding steady at 99.8%.
Copy that. Proceeding with robotic arm sequence 4.
The heat mapping on the core stage looks stable.
Agreed. The structural analysis confirms integrity.
Guidance, bring the main lifter down slowly.
Copy that. Descending to docking position.
Confirming alignment sequence, proceeding with final rotation.
Roger that. Visually clear on my side. Lock sequence initiated.
The alignment telemetry is holding steady at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the final sequence.
Status on connection points B and C.
Solid alignment. Proceeding with torque sequence.
Alignment looks good here. Copy that. Proceeding with the integration sequence.
The lift profile looks stable. We have clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Proceed with the alignment sequence.
Alignment looks good on my end. Proceed with the final ascent.
Confirmed. Engaging magnetic locks now.
Welding sequence 4 initiated. Stand by for pressure check.
Copy that. Sequence holding steady.
The sensor readings on section gamma are nominal.
Confirmed. Telemetry shows green across the board.
The orange core stage, seen here, represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, built with extreme precision.
This is the orange core stage, the backbone of the entire launch system. Its construction requires absolute precision.
We are clear to attach the forward panel. Robotics, confirmed stabilization at 99.4 degrees.
We have green status on all stabilization points.
Roger. Preparing for final docking sequence.
The temperature on the aft segment is holding steady at 500 Kelvin.
Confirmed. The weld integrity looks good across the seam. This is where the future takes shape. Every weld, visible here in microscopic detail.
Ground control, this is High Bay 2. We have a green light for the alignment.
Copy that, engineer. Proceed with the lock sequence.
Control, we have green lights across the board. The alignment looks nominal.
Copy that. Proceeding with the final docking sequence.
Guidance, we are 1 meter out. Telemetry is green.
Roger that. Steady as she goes. Confirmed contact. Securing clamps now.
In the immense scale of the high bay, the orange core stage stands ready for integration. Precision.
Guidance and navigation module docking sequence initiated. All personnel confirm green status.
Okay, bringing it down slowly. We have alignment on the starboard side.
Copy that. Proceeding with final integration sequence.
We have full stabilization on the forward segment. Proceeding with minute rotation.
Confirmed. Visuals show perfect alignment at the collar. Verify gimbal stabilization at point 4.
Confirmed. Alignment holding at 001.
Alignment looks good from here. Proceeding with the weld sequence.
Copy that. Sequence initiated.
Alignment holding steady at 0.02 degrees. Confirming connection integrity. We are go for securing the clamps.
Here in the high bay, the orange core stage is carefully aligned, a testament to the precision required for deep space missions. Attaching the main fuel lines is a critical step before rollout. The robotic arms provide stability while the crew secures the coupling. The precision alignment of the core stage is critical. The robotic systems ensure every component is seated perfectly before the final wiring checks. The precision alignment of the core stage is underway. This delicate maneuver ensures the structural integrity of the entire launch vehicle.
Alignment holding steady at 0.5 degrees.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with bracket installation on my mark.
The precision alignment of the core stage is critical for mission success. Here, the robotic arms ensure alignment sequence initiated.
Confirming steady state trajectory. Proceeding with final integration.
We are within tolerance, proceeding with the final alignment burn.
Copy that. All systems are green on my side.
Alignment trajectory is stable at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with final sequence.
Telemetry indicates a slight drift on the y-axis.
Acknowledged. We'll adjust the robotic arm sequence.
The core stage is being aligned with millimeter precision. This stability test is crucial before integration.
Stage 2 alignment complete.
Confirmed. We have green across all sensors.
Roger that. Proceeding with clamp sequence.
Engaging the stabilization arms now. We have green across all sensors.
Copy that. Proceeding to docking clamp engagement.
Alignment is confirmed on the laser tracker.
Telemetry looks good. We are go for clamp sequence.
Core alignment reading is stable at 0.02 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceed with final sequence.
With pinpoint accuracy, the automated systems secure the bolts, finalizing the connection of the main propulsion unit.
Alignment is confirmed. We are within the specified tolerance.
We have stabilization at 90 degrees, clear for final approach.
Copy that. Proceeding with docking sequence.
Final alignment sequence initiated. We have structural integrity confirmed on boosters 2 and 3. Proceeding to lock.
This is where the core stage meets the interstage assembly. A critical moment demanding absolute precision from both.
Flight, the alignment is green.
Copy that. Booster 7. Proceed to sequence, clamp sequence.
The precision alignment of the core stage is critical. Even a millimeter off could jeopardize the entire mission.
Guidance. We are clear for final docking sequence.
Copy that. Proceeding with clamp engagement.
Core stage alignment holding steady at 0.04 degrees.
Roger that. Proceeding with final torque sequence on F12.
This is the precision alignment process. With tolerances measured in millimeters, the team carefully lowers the next segment of the rocket.
We have confirmation on alignment sequence 4.
Copy that. Proceeding to final lock sequence.
Precision is paramount as the core stage is lowered into position. Every millimeter counts in this massive undertaking.
Maintain current vector. We are showing green across all sensors.
Copy that. Proceeding to docking.
We have alignment confirmed on axis 4. Proceeding to pressurize clamps.
Roger that. Telemetry is nominal. Alignment holding steady at 0.5 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceed with mounting sequence.
Telemetry confirms green across all sensors, hovering at T0.
Roger that. Proceeding with final securing clamps.
Umbilical connection secure on port 3.
Confirmed. Pressure check initialized.
The core stage alignment is a critical milestone. Utilizing the high bay crane and robotic precision.
Alignment check complete on engine 4.
Copy that. Proceeding to engine 3.
Sequence aligned. Ready for final integration.
Confirmed. Proceeding with clamp engagement. All systems nominal.
Initiating final sequence alignment. Check telemetry on module 3.
Readings stable. Proceeding with locking clamps.
Telemetry looks nominal on the forward segments.
Confirming pressurization sequence complete.
The core stage alignment is a critical step, requiring absolute precision.
Alignment sequence initiated. We have green across the board. Confirmed.
With pinpoint accuracy, the gimbal mechanism locks. The engine section is now fully integrated with the orange core stage.
Stage 2 alignment holding steady at 0.01 degrees.
Copy that. Proceeding with docking clamps engagement.
All systems green for integration. Proceeding with the final alignment sequence now.
And with that, the core stage is officially secured. A critical milestone achieved through incredible precision engineering.
Alignment confirmed. Stage 2 interface holding steady across all parameters.
Copy that. Proceeding with clamp sequence. Retract the arm.
Core stage alignment holding steady at 0.01 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final locking sequence. The precision required for the capsule docking is measured in millimeters. The margin for error is virtually non-existent. The core stage alignment requires micron-level precision before the final integration sequence can begin.
Alignment sequence initiated.
Copy that. Trajectory stable at 0.02. Alignment holding steady at 0.001 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final mount sequence.
Roger that. We have green across the board.
The precision alignment process requires millimeter-perfect accuracy before the final locking sequence can engage.
Standing at over 300 feet, the complete core stage and its solid rocket boosters are ready for
Clear on level 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with the alignment sequence.
The sheer scale of the orange core stage dominates the high bay as the next segment is carefully lowered into place.
We are now bringing up the main bus power on the core stage.
Telemetry looks nominal. Proceeding with the test.
Telemetry looks nominal.
Confirming hydraulic pressure on segment 3.
We are go for final integration.
Core stage alignment confirmed. Telemetry looks good on screen 3.
Copy that. Proceeding with the next segment lift.
We have stabilization on the oxidizer tank.
Confirmed. Proceed with the cryogenic bleed.
Stress test initiated on segment 4.
Pressure stabilizing at nominal levels. Data looks good. Core stage alignment looks good. Proceed with the final descent to the mobile launcher.
Status check on the main crawler. We are proceeding as planned.
Roger that. Propulsion systems are nominal. Decades in the making, the most powerful rocket ever assembled slowly emerges from the vehicle bay.
We have stabilization on the main connection point.
Proceed with the lowering sequence.
This 212-foot core stage, the backbone of the rocket, is now leaving the assembly bay for the first time. The completed stack now begins its slow, precise journey to the launch pad, a critical milestone in the mission.
Core stage alignment looks good. Proceed with the final descent to the mobile launcher.
All right, team, we are clear for the core stage integration. Ensure all sensors are aligned before the final approach.
This massive orange core, the backbone of the rocket, is undergoing its final meticulous checks before stacking.
Thrust vector control checks out green across all parameters.
Copy that. Proceeding with fueling arm retraction sequence.
Station 1. Verify hydraulics are nominal.
Confirmed. Systems are fully pressurized and within flight parameters.
Ground control. All systems go.
Roger that. Proceeding with ignition sequence.
Precision is paramount in the high bay, but when the core stage ignites, that precision gives way to raw, untamed power.
Roger, crane operations. We show green across the board. Proceed with the integration sequence.
Copy that, descending. Copy that, descending. The orange core stage is secure. We are ready for the next lift sequence.
Roger, moving to step 12.
Ensure the flight termination system is armed.
Copy that. All systems are currently reading green for launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition!
Torque looks good on joint 4B.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence. We need to verify the torque settings on the forward skirt connections.
Already done, we are good for integration.